In this video, I will be showing you how to install OpenCode desktop app on Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for OpenCode. We'll be having the official link from opencode.ai. Just select this, and here as you can see we are having desktop app available on Mac, Windows and Linux. Just click on this download now. And here if you just scroll down, here we're having OpenCode desktop, and just click on download corresponding to Windows. It's also available for Linux as well as Mac. The download will be getting started. This is around 114 MB in size, so just be patient. Once the download is complete, just open it. We will be getting the OpenCode setup and it's saying installing. Just be patient. And we'll be getting the OpenCode desktop app. If you're having any projects, just open it. Your recent projects will be available over here in case if you had opened. Here we are having two menus. One is the project exploring interface and another one is the default settings and stuff. So I will just go and open a folder. So I will just click here and I will just create a new folder and select it. Now I will just go and give a prompt here. So to change the model, you can simply click on this, and these are the stuff that are available for free. We are having DeepSeek and Big Pickle, and apart from this you can even add these stuff. For example, if I click on OpenAI, so we can even connect our OpenAI account to it by using the ChatGPT account or an API key. So for this I will just go with the free one. I will just go with DeepSeek and give a simple prompt. So this is going to be my prompt: create me a portfolio website. I'm a programmer, and go with the build one. If you're planning, go with the plan mode. Apart from that, after choosing the model, here you will be having the thinking effort. So we are having low, medium, high and max. So I'll just go with max and just run it. So we have got the site created, and another great thing is it has literally given a brief description on all the features that has been included. So apart from that, here we are having so many right side bars. One is the status, so the local server, MCP, we can manage everything, the plugins, and next is terminal. Another one is toggle review, and finally we are having the toggle file structure. We can even like open multiple ones. This is the result of the portfolio site that we created. Just looks stunning.